Good morning. Today is Saturday, June 18th. Time is 9:20 to 9 to 10. Bird watching. I just fed the birds. How everybody doing? Wish everybody around the world happy Father's Day. This Father's Day is all day, every day. Every day. Just not on a special day, but it's Father's Day every day. And I want to wish everybody around the world happy Father's Day. They are truly fathers. Bird watching. There they go. I just put the food out. Good morning. How are you? I love you. I want to wish everybody a safe, happy Father's Day. And have a blessed and safe Father's Day. Enjoy your family. Hello. How are you? How are you? Bird watching. Bird watching. There go my baby. Bird watching. I want to show y'all how my plants are growing. They're striving. My cilantro, tomatoes, string beans. Thank you, God. Thank you, Jesus. And thank you, Father God, for another blessed day. I love you. I honor you. I worship you. Thank you. Bird watching. There go my babies. Hi there. Good morning. I want to wish my son, June, a happy Father's Day, many more. And my beloved husband, he's not here on this earth, but he's here in the spirit. He's in heaven. And I want to wish him a happy Father's Day.